didn't start your business to feel
Ilang buwan
burned
na ang
out.
nakalipas
Even if you're
pero
trying your
masaya.
best to manage everything by yourself,
Sinubukan ko na lahat.
running a business
Megaphone,
can be
Gomo,
exhausting,
pero dalawang
especially when
natutulog
you're
lang
doing it on
napadulog
your
at
own.
natulog.
That's
Huwag
where
kang mag-alala. Royal Fan Marketing sa
strategic executive
Ilalagay namin ang lubid ko
Over
sa
17
harap ng
years
tamang tao. Mabilis at
operations,
delikado.
marketing, legal.
Handa ka na ba?
I help founders lead throughout.
Lalabas na ang makulay na
I don't just assist.
Kailangan
I build
ng
systems that
Megaphone.
your business deserves structure. It deserves sleep. Growth shouldn't feel like survival. Let me get a jet ski.
Nakikita sila habang
You can focus on strategy.
ang mga
Send me a message. Let's talk. How we can streamline your operation. I know from us the car all my
Scroll stopping videos. Parang fireworks. Bawat pop na dadala ng lawang ng Ang orders ng report, sales graph matalo, ito ang unang na resulta. Process stopping. Kasama mo ang Royal Fan Marketing Solutions Team.
You need a jet ski.
Sa digital
Using
marketing.
prolific jet stream
Mula sa paghahanap ng
with
sa pag-confirm ng
with 17 plus years of
Assistant work.
Babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Sinundan ko nasa kanya. Hindi ko nakikitang may dumarating pala. Hindi ko naiwasan kami bigla nagkabangga.
Or success stories that solve problems for your audience. When you educate, they trust you, and trust leads to sales. Content marketing isn't optional, it's essential. Save this and start creating today.
Streamline for
Done is better than perfect. What do I mean? Chasing perfection feels like progress, but it's often just another form of procrastination. The longer you spend making something perfect, the longer it takes to actually move forward. A product that's 80% ready for launch will always beat the one that's 100% perfect, but still sitting in your drafts.
Didn't start your business to feel
Messy
burned.
is still
Even if you're trying your best to manage everything by yourself,
The first iPhone
running a
had no
business can be
copyright.
exhausting,
Airbnb's
especially
first site was terrible. Amazon started with just books, but they launched, learned, and improved. Waiting for perfect means waiting
over
for
7
You just need something good enough to test,
Operation,
get feedback, and refine. The only way to know what works is to put it out
help
there and
founders
adjust based on real world data. No one doesn't plan to teach you
I
as
build
much as
systems
actually
that
do.
your business deserves structure, deserves sleep.
Perfection slows you down, but progress compounds. So start now, fix it later, because done will always be better than perfect.
Send me a message. Let's talk. How we can streamline your operation. Hello from us the car all my friend.
Babaeng saksakan ng ganda. Sinundan ko nasa kanya. Hindi ko nakikitang may dumarating pala. Hindi ko naiwasan kami bigla nagkabangga.